Hey boo, it's me. I'm out here in my car. I start a lot of my videos in my car. But yeah, it's Sunday and I am just here waiting for P to get his boba order ready because we've been out running errands. And before we got home, he's like, I want boba. So just dropping him off. I didn't get anything. He's just waiting for his order. But my Sunday so far, I woke up at like 7 and then at 8 a.m. I watched Iron Man because last night I watched Civil War, like the Marvel movie, and then I just decided I'm gonna binge all the Marvel movies. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm starting from the beginning. I'm gonna go home and watch Iron Man 2 and then so on. But I went to Target today. I got groceries, I got some little home decor pieces, and went to the Korean grocery store. I want to show you guys what I got and what I plan to do with it later. So stay tuned. But for now, I'm just in my car. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but I thought, why not? So here I am, and here we are. Can you guys look at how much stuff I have? I literally had to whip out the wagon to bring upstairs. Okay guys, we are back home. I feel like I look better at home than I did outside, but it was so cold. But yeah, like you saw, I had to whip out the wagon. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with my Target haul first, and then the Korean grocery store haul. Yeah. So this isn't all the stuff at Target. What should we start off first? Should we start with the groceries? Let's do that. So I am making a salad, and I always try to have greens at the house. So first it's baby arugula. I got this because it was on sale. She was on sale too, but I'm gonna use this for the salad later. Everything mini bagels. We got these petite sirloin steaks. We got Asiago Caesar dressing, Aunt Jemima maple syrup because it's my favorite. Try to be a little healthier and got the light, but the Aunt Jemima is my favorite syrup. And then I got extra virgin olive oil, provolone cheese, some honey smoked turkey, Brussels sprouts. They're shaved because I like them thinner, and another thing of steak. Bag number 2, let's go. I got scrubbing bubbles for the toilet because I live with a boy now. That should get sturdier. Parmesan crust for a salad. Blueberries. I got chicken broth, more chicken broth because, you know, I want to try using this for making rice because I heard it makes the rice more flavorful. And then I also like just having this if I ever want to make some Parmesan cheese. It's a really bad kind for you, but I love this stuff. Avocados. They were like, this whole bag was $1 at Target, like $1 something. And then this was 50 cents for today. And Febreze. I got one of those little I don't even know if these like are effective, but just to not touch anything so much. And then I'm so excited. I got glasses. They come in 4, so I got 2. But I've actually been eyeing these glasses for forever. Every time I go in Target, I look to see if they have it in store. And they never did until now, but just drinking glasses, like, oh my god. Look how beautiful that is. So flat. Do you like these glasses?
Yeah.
They're very minimal. Just like our plates, like, you're eating with this beautiful set. If anyone's wondering where my plates are, they're from Crate and Barrel. And then I got this throw pillow. You saw in my last video how our couch looks like. It's very like a beige cream colored couch. So I want to see if this is gonna go well with it. I got this little basket. I like the little white color block situation here. I got this basket for above the toilet to put my tampons in. I don't know if this is gonna work yet, but we'll try. If it does, I'll keep it. If it doesn't, I'll return it. And then I got this for my nightstand. Okay, the Target haul is done. I went to the Korean grocery store. I got this massive jug of low sodium soy sauce. Bam! Korean corn dogs with one of the cheese are so good. furikake because, like I said, I want to make a sushi bake. So I'm gonna use this on top. Kewpie or Kewpie? I don't know how to say it. This is my first time getting it, but for sushi, Japanese mayo, sriracha because we ran out, rice wine vinegar, imitation crab, and salmon sashimi, my favorite. Ooh, yes, yeah. So yeah, for lunch today, I want to make these little steaks, one for me and one for P. And then on the side, I'm gonna make a salad with shrimp. So it's like a surf and turf situation. And then I want to try to make some smashed potatoes because I got some baby potatoes a while ago and haven't used them. So let's see how that turns out for lunch. And then tonight, I'm gonna make sushi for dinner. I'm excited, feeling a little chef cook vibes today, I guess. So I'm gonna do that. So the shrimp is cooked for the salad. I'm heating up the skillet for the steak, which is there. It's been sitting out for like half an hour. I can already tell the smashed potatoes are a fail, but here's to perseverance. Ta-da! So here's the failed, I don't even know what they're called anymore, but those are the potatoes, and that's my steak. And then this is peas. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test of the steak. So good.
Yeah.
What do you have, Ben?
Just the potatoes for now. They're really good.
All done. And yes, we are using this as a coffee table, this little storage thing. But I'm into time. We're gonna watch and chill. Hello, I'm walking backwards right now. We're just taking a walk around the complex after lunch because it's nice out. So our complex has like a little pond. He comes here every day to feed ducks. Likes to feed them oats. And they're over there too. Oh, look, he's coming. Subscribe for duck content. We are back home from our little walk, so I'm gonna see now if this few decor pieces I got work, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so I don't really like it there just because there's already wicker here. So I do like it though, just to cover my tampons, but I think I'm just gonna like put it on the floor. This is what my nightstand looks like right now. As you can see, all the cotton rounds are just like out and about. One bag is for dirty ones and one bag is for clean ones. So I thought to add this. Okay, I think it's cute. I hope you guys can see the vision. I want to put like art against the wall and maybe like a little vase with plants, and then that, and then maybe like a candle. I don't know. But for now, it's a good start. So this is what our couch looks like so far. It did come with throw pillows, but they were like hideous. So I'm slowly just picking like the perfect throw pillows. So this is what we have. Let's get this pillow and see. I mean, it goes. What do we think? I think for now it's good. It goes with everything. It looks cohesive. But I probably will add some more pillows, not too much, but just a little sprinkle dinkle on her, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you're wondering, I got that pillow from HomeGoods, that other pillow from HomeGoods. The blanket is actually a gift from my work. So I just finished Iron Man 2, and now Thor is ending, and then we're gonna watch Captain America, but it's like 5:30, and I'm gonna start making dinner. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna make sushi tonight, so yeah, let's go. Okay, sushi at home, let's go. Okay, so I have the sushi rice right here. I got shrimp tempura from Trader Joe's, the frozen section, and I air fried it. Imitation crab I got earlier today with the Japanese mayo, nori sheets. But I got them. Then avocado, sesame seeds, and a bowl of water to dip your hands in. So when you're making the rice, you wanna dip your hands in because it gets sticky. So I'm gonna get my nori paper. Some rice. Dip my hands. Sprinkle some sesame seed. Flip it over and let's get our filling going. Okay, let's go with the crab. And I don't make sushi at home too much. I probably made it like less than a handful of times. So definitely still need practice, but I mean, I enjoy doing this. It's fun, you know? And we're gonna get avocado and slice. As you can tell, guys, very amateur. Okay, and then just even her out. Okay, let's see how she rolls. This is always the part I'm nervous for, and cutting it. So you need a really good sharp knife. Okay, let's roll. Oh yeah, I think we got it. I think we got it, guys. Okay, and then I just give her like a good little. Oh my gosh. First roll down. Oh baby, look at that. We did that shit, and that's on perseverance, guys. I'm just gonna keep making more until we're all out of stuff, and then I'll check back in when we cut. Okay, don't mind the background noise, please, watching basketball, but first cut is done. I always get so nervous cutting because it is literally like make or break. Washed my knife here, rinsed it, and second cut, let's go. Okay, sushi's still intact. I'm getting nervous. Okay, I replated it, but it doesn't look any different than the last time, except I put some sauce over here. I don't have like a squeeze bottle, so I just like literally drizzled it over with a spoon, but I mixed the Japanese mayo with some sriracha to make spicy mayo. And then we got the soy sauce. And do we love the plates or do we love the plates? These are the bento plates from Crate & Barrel. All my plates are from Crate & Barrel, and so are the saucers. Yeah, we're ready to eat. Here we just got the basic California roll, the crab and avocado. We're gonna do a first taste test.
It's good.
We both nodded. It's good. I'm gonna try. Who's going for another one? I'm going for the spicy California roll that I did, or the crab one, since there's no avocado. But this one. I like the spicy one. It's good. I tried this spicy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. That's it from me. After dinner, I'm gonna start Captain America #1 and just chill for the rest of the night. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this video.